your trainer, Febe Bless, and today we'll be looking on how to encrypt a Word document. And when we talk of encryption, encryption is the process of putting in a passcode to your Word document to restrict unauthorized users to gaining access to your document. Now, for us to encrypt the document we created in our last videos behind, you double click on your document. When you double click on your document, it's launching your document. And now remember, encrypting a Word document means you don't want anybody to get access to that document. Now, our content of our document, we're talking about what is a computer network. For us to encrypt this document, you simply go to File. When you click on File, you have a backstage menu appears. On your backstage menu, you have Protect Document. You click on Protect Document, you have a drop down menu. On your drop down menu, you will see Encrypt with Password. You click Encrypt with Password. Now a window pops up expecting you to put in the password you want to protect this Word document with. And remember that there is a caution there. If you lost or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding document names in a safe place. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, telling us that passwords are case sensitive, implying that whatever case format you use should be the same case format you use when trying to log into this document. So now we are expected to put a password, so I'll go ahead and put a password on my document. So I'll put a password on the document. What I need to do, I take OK. Now I've taken OK. What they want me to do again, they want me to confirm password. So now I have to re-enter the password I entered on the first window. So I enter the same password. Okay. Then now I take OK. When I take OK now, it's showing that a password is required to open this document, meaning that my document has already been encrypted. My document has already been encrypted. So what I need to do now is I leave. So I save my document. Now, for me to relaunch this document now, the document will be asking for me a password to get access into this document. So I double click to open my document. My document now is asking for a password, and now they say enter password to open file. So now what I simply do is I enter the password in which I used in encrypting my Word document. When I enter that password, I simply take OK. So now I have access to my document. So it is very easy. And now if you are into security, you will see that the type of security that is used in the encrypting Word document is the symmetric key cryptography. And the symmetric key cryptography says that the encryption key and the decryption key are the same. So it uses a single key for both encryption and decryption. And the type of algorithm that is used for Word encryption, for the Word document encryption, is the AES 256, which is advanced encryption standard 256. So it is very easy to encrypt your Word document. So for me to open my document again, I put my password and I have access to my